Baltimore City prosecutors asked a judge on Wednesday to vacate the conviction of Adnan Syed, who was convicted of murdering his ex-girlfriend when he was 17 and whose story was featured on the popular podcast Serial, according to multiple outlets, after investigators found new evidence pointing. Prosecutors also pledged to ensure that justice is done for Lee. The news means Syed could get a new trial or potentially be freed after more than 20 years in prison. According to the Journal, prosecutors recommended Syed be released without bond conditions as long as he promises to make necessary court appearances, as continuing to detain him while an investigation is ongoing would be unjust, they said. The 42-year-old Syed stood trial twice for the murder of Lee and was convicted of first-degree murder, robbery, kidnapping and false imprisonment in 2000. Syed and Lee were seniors at Wimont High School in Baltimore County when Lee went missing in January 1999. Her body was found in a forest 3 weeks later, and an autopsy confirmed the 19-year-old died by strangulation. Prosecutors allege Syed carried out the crime after becoming jealous of Lee, who was dating someone new after the two broke up. Authorities at the time claimed Syed killed Lee after a struggle in her car. They relied on testimony from a classmate of Syed's, Jay Wilds, who claimed he helped Syed dig a hole to bury Lee's body, as well as cell phone tower data to place him at the scene of the crime. Syed has said he was at the library at the time of Lee's murder, a claim former classmate Asia McClain has confirmed, though she was not called to testify during the first trial. Several investigations, including the producers of the Serial podcast as well as an HBO docuseries The Case Against Adnan Syed, have raised concerns about the evidence linking Syed to Lee's death. In the HBO docuseries, an attorney for Syed said his DNA was not found on any of the 12 samples taken from Lee's body and car, though the testing was not included in the original investigation.